Every ugly house is not a good investment. Some homes can make you rich, and others can completely bankrupt you. Today we're breaking down the difference between a fixer-upper and a full-blown money pit, because one builds equity, while the other destroys your savings. A fixer-upper is a home that looks rough, but is structurally solid. The bones are good. The roof works. The foundation is stable. The plumbing and electrical systems are mostly functional. It may need cosmetic upgrades, like paint, new floors, updated cabinets, or landscaping. But those are predictable repairs, and predictable repairs make money. This is how smart buyers create sweat equity. They buy a home below market value, improve it, and increase the home's worth. A good fixer-upper can become a dream home or a profitable investment. A money pit is completely different. It looks like a fixer-upper, but underneath, it's a financial nightmare. These homes usually have serious structural problems, foundation cracks, old electrical systems, major plumbing failures, termite damage, or hidden mold. And once renovations begin, the surprises never stop. You open one wall, then find water damage. You fix the plumbing, then discover black mold. You repair the floors, then realize the foundation is sinking. Suddenly your $40,000 renovation turns into $150,000, and now the repairs cost more than the house is worth. A fixer-upper has mostly cosmetic problems. A money pit has structural problems. A fixer-upper has predictable costs. A money pit has hidden surprises. A fixer-upper builds equity. A money pit drains your bank account. A fixer-upper can create profit. A money pit can trap homeowners financially for years. The biggest mistake buyers make is confusing ugly with dangerous. Before buying any older home, you need a serious inspection, not just a quick walkthrough. A licensed home inspector can identify major red flags before you close. Pay close attention to homes built before the 1970s. Older homes may contain outdated electrical panels, galvanized plumbing, lead paint, or asbestos. And watch out for illegal additions. If previous owners renovated without permits, you may inherit dangerous work and expensive corrections. One hidden issue can wipe out all your potential profit. Professional investors follow one simple rule. They estimate repair costs first, before getting emotionally attached. If the math doesn't work, they walk away, no matter how beautiful the potential looks. Because smart buyers know, you make money when you buy, not when you renovate. So remember, a fixer-upper can build wealth, but a money pit can destroy it. The key is knowing the difference before you buy. If you're buying a home in Maryland, DC, or Northern Virginia, make sure you work with professionals who know how to spot the warning signs. And if you want more real estate tips that could save you thousands, follow for more.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.